Okay, Kelly, this video is for your interested and prospective buyers and for you. It chronicles what I know about the car. It's a 1949 Hudson Commodore convertible. It's had a frame-on restoration. All driveline components have been restored and updated. I say updated to 1955. It has, I believe, a 1955 twin H. It's the 5-liter straight six with the twin H carburetors. Okay, let's see here. Now, the paint on a scale of 1 to 10 is about a 7.5. So it has a few issues. We've got some bubbling in this area. It's not in the seams, it's up on the surface. So I think it was more of a prep issue that the painter missed. We see a few of those spots like in this area here, right about there. Okay. Overall it shows very well. All the chrome was redone in a very nice, hard quality chrome. Very well done. The stainless, some of the stainless around the convertible top has been done. The rest is original. Now we have some other bubbling in the same area right here. Okay. Again, I believe that surface prep and investigation will probably play that out, especially when you look at the restoration photos. It was restored around 2012. It's got a beautiful canvas top. As you can see, it's in excellent condition. The door chrome's been redone. The window stainless, I think, is original. It has power windows, power top, 4-speed hydromatic transmission. All the interior has the simulated wood grain that's been redone beautifully. It's a very nice job. It's deep. It's got a high quality to it. The gauges, the oil light works and the speedometer works. I don't believe any of the other ones do. You've got the original steering wheel and column. It's got a very nice leather interior, very comfortable, well done. You've got deluxe carpet. Excellent condition. Here's the underside of the dash. This is one of the first cars with the hood release inside the car. Very cool.